Lesson 7, halves, thirds, and fourths. In this lesson, you're going to partition or separate shapes into equal parts. Here we have two shapes. They are two equal parts or two halves. They have them numbered for you. Each part is half of the whole. Here we have two shapes. They are in three equal parts or thirds. Each part is a third of the whole. These shapes have four equal parts or 4/4. Each part is a fourth of the whole. We're going to name or describe each of these shapes. I count how many parts. 1, 2. That would be 2 halves. I count the parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be 4 fourths. 1, 2, 3. 3 thirds. 1, 2, 3. This one is also 3 thirds. Then we have to draw lines to partition each shape or to break apart each shape. Remember, we have to have equal parts. So I'm going to draw my line here as close as I can to being equal. And now I have two equal parts. Here I have to make 4 equal parts. I'm going to draw my lines like this, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Your talk math today to have with your family is explain how you can divide a pie so that 4 people each get an equal part. I want to show you a couple of other things that you're going to see when you do your practice pages. When we're partitioning or drawing lines to break apart shapes, you can do it in more than one way. When we did our square on the other page into 4 equal parts, I did a line down and a line across for 4 parts. I could also do 4 parts with all my lines going down. 1, 2, 3, 4. We could also do them going sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's not one way to partition. What you have to just keep in mind is you need to make them as equal parts as you possibly can. Okay? So if I partition these rectangles into 3 equal parts, I could do it like this, or I could do it like this. They both have 3 equal parts. You will also come across some practice pages that will want you to partition into halves or thirds, but now this time they're going to use just words to show you, not a number and words. And you may have to also use a fraction. I'm going to show you what a fraction is. So if I want to partition this into 1 half, I have 2 halves right here. So I'm going to color in or shade in one of the parts. And now I have a shape that is 1 half. To make this fraction, it's 1 and then a line and then a 2. That is 1 half, or 1 out of 2 is colored in. Here we have 2 thirds. So first I have to partition it into thirds as equal as I possibly can. And now I need to color in 2 parts. I'm going to color in these two parts. And then I'm going to write my fraction. This is where I did the partition. And my fraction would be 2, a line, and then 3. And this fraction is 2/3, or 2 out of 3 are colored in.